everybody? What's happening? What's going on? Welcome. We're back, boy. We're back. You know what's why we're back? You know why? Because breakfast around this morning. Okay? Disturb the peace. I have no idea who's going to be there, but apparently it's going to be lit. Okay? Apparently. Let's see, I'm on my way now. You know who's in tow because I have no one with me today. So, now see this behind me. And yeah, there can be no duct taking or anything today. Rhonda's hurt, okay? Rhonda's not at 100% at all. So yeah, we're just taking a super slow cruise. We're driving 70 on the F5. 70, okay? Wait, hold up, he's catching up. Ooh, make it 80, why not? 80 is fine. Wait, now I'm leaving it now. Okay, let's leave it at 70, 75 maybe? So cruise control on. And then yeah. So that's a bit busy actually for 6, 10 to 7 on a Sunday morning. Let's see. We're on our way. In 130, the usual spot, because there's no real spot. Let's wait. Listen, guys, if you want to make another breakfast run, change the spot, maybe just a little bit. Maybe even Sea Point, maybe. I don't know. Let's see. Also, there was a speed trap now. Like I think I stopped recording immediately, and there was a speed trap. The guy just flew past me and went over it. Like I said, I was doing 70, so we good, guys. Do not go over the speed limit on a weekend, especially early in the morning, or ever. Just ever, okay? Such a perfect opportunity to take dark right now. You know, it's clear in front of us. Rhonda's hurt, guys. Rhonda's hurt. I want to take my duck back. I want to take it back. Damn! Whoa! Oh! Okay, so it's a little bit early in the morning still, and not much people here. Tristan did 2 slides in that. Now I'm not pointing to the this almost hit the pavement, and then this guy did donut kind of. Check it. Tristan just whooping out the scaffolding. Oh, there we go. Oh no, that's what she said. Sorry, I have to add that in my video. Yeah, yes. No, I'm that guy.
I also enjoy making videos.
Is it? Okay, cool. Yeah, dude. Can you put me in the video? Can you?
Just follow me on YouTube.
Yeah.
No, there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I'll be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know who you are. Flying up in a bar. Wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge. Call me a shooting star.
Hey, boring Nick, back to it, my guy.
Nice seeing you again, winter. Oh, sorry for the mark.
No, I got mine on, so we good.
Oh, it's nice being out in winter again, eh?
Oh, yes.
Shooting stars.
Didn't even get to cross.
Said I'm moving too far. Get to glass.
Oh, that's a lovely color. That's beautiful.
They missed the right now.
Oh, here's my sort of sauce over here. That's it.
I don't know if I'm gonna go.
That's it. Oh. Alice in your Alice.
Eh?
Is there Alice in this car? This one.
No.
Listen. Listen to it.
It sounds like a V8.
Yeah.
Look at Alice, dude.
Here's the...
No, 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 no! I'm cutting it out! Look at that, everybody's nostalgic bumming the shot. Nostalgic. That'll do it. Oh, that's the fattest rear tires I've seen. Oh, wow. Oh, we try your right.
Oh, we think.
I just love seeing those guys lose their shit every time. Goggles, axle. Hey, look at this guy. He comes out of nowhere. He's like this. He's like a. Look at this. Look at this. Just skull rolling everybody at the same time. Look at this auntie. This auntie's like, ik kom van McDonald's. Kykie. Look at that. Look at shock on her face. What the fuck gaan aan hier? What the fuck gaan aan hier? Ik kom hier voor een fucking breakfast meal. Oh, midnight purple. Some Whoa! Just be chill. Just be, everybody be chill. Nice, bro. Just go rolling everybody. Just everybody. Just go. This is mad. It's a stock color. Nice. On here. Oh, sus. My boys are ruining a shot here. That looks really cool, man. Mr. Vin! How are you, bro? You got a video coming out tonight? Well, by the time you watch this, it's already out. So if you didn't watch it, you better go watch it. So you leave here, you go to Vapor Reactions to watch the video, please. Ah!
Stars.
Didn't even get to cross.
Cut today, guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. I made it real short today. No bullshit, no talking crap. Oh, we gotta get him. Hey. Dan draait hij weer, man. Dan draait hij weer.